welcome back. Today we are on our way to the haunted house. This will be the last day that we are at 4700 Central Avenue. We're going to be cleaning up all of our stuff today, getting it all done into the trailers, and then hopefully tomorrow, I don't know if they work on Sundays, but this week moving all those trailers and being done with that property, will be officially moved out today, so that'll be great. I'm driving there now. It's about noon. There's a crew of us that should be over there helping move everything. Like I said, this is the last day. This is our last weekend we have before our time is up, so we have to be out today because I work tomorrow. So anyway, driving there now. We're gonna get everything out and start something new. So update on the property. It has appraised for the proper value. So now we're just waiting on wrapping up insurance, and we have a scream park. So I think it's safe to say now we're going to be opening a scream park. We're going to be opening at least a haunted house for October 2021. Scream park to come very soon. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be, this is pretty much what we've been working for 13 years. So finally owning our own property, finally having it as ours, no other people involved, stuff like that. And yeah, it's good. It's real good. So anyway, driving there now to the old building. We're gonna be taking everything out. I'm gonna grab some lunch on my way, get everything out of that building. It's gonna be an interesting day because there's a storm a-brewing. For the last week and for the next week, we've been under severe thunderstorm watch and warning and all that stuff. So a few days ago, maybe last weekend, something like that, we actually had a few tornadoes that touched down. One was actually touched down on our street, so that was cool. Yeah, it's getting a little wild around here. So anyway, we're going to be working through that today because we don't have a choice. So it's going to be wet, it's going to be wild, but we're going to get it done because that's Haunted Hills, baby. Haunted Hills strong. T-shirts coming soon. Anyway, heading up there now. Let's see what goes on. So here's what's left. Essentially this and some Christmas shit upstairs. And there's a bunch of stuff outside. So I'm gonna start outside. I'm gonna clean up the outside, move it all into trucks, and then come in here. Let's go. So all this has to get cleaned up. It's not much. It's just a lot of big shit. It looks like a mess. But I'm starting over here. And there's a pile of chain link over here that needs to go. That pile of chain link. We're loading it up. This is our last trailer that's got a lot of space. The other trailers have small amounts of space, but we'll have to kind of stack shit up in them. So right now I'm moving these two to my parents' house. A lot of this shit is going to go in the garbage because that's what it is. It's garbage. And I'm just gonna kind of start this way and just move across and just clean up whatever's there. So I'll be driving, I'll be cleaning, and I'm just gonna clean this parking lot up so that this outside's done and we can just start grabbing stuff from the inside, move it outside, and get the fuck out of here. So that's the goal as soon as Stefan's done taking a piss or whatever the fuck he's doing inside. And so it starts. We will fight in the shade.
Slow down.
That's the top, and I just keep going on the bottom.
No, you guys slid.
Your time to shine. Pull up, bro.
You gotta pull your end back just so we're stuck on this couch.
Well, I suggest you put. I'm sitting here fighting Brad. Hold on.
Hold on, I think we need to go to the right since we have.
Yeah.
Yeah. We need to go to the right.
I'll hold it up. Someone else put.
Get the pipe. You take that pipe and step on the top. That's usually hands hit the drag.
Eddie's hitting me.
About a 2x4 or something. That's it. Yeah, 2x4. Are we back as far as we can go?
Yeah. The tip, not can tip forward more, but you're not getting any further.
Alright, well, I mentioned it perfectly. That's another job. Then the dragon head around and close the door. We ain't got time for all that.
Sounds like you're scared.
So those were on top of the freezer when we.
Push to your right.
That was what was holding up the
Push to
roof.
your right.
Oh, great.
Yeah, they weren't secured to anything. It was just on top of the walls.
Yeah, I think
You want to stand up on the corner and push?
Well,
I wish they
problem
did.
is we just got a 2x4 we're hitting. If we can clear that 2x4.
That water is absolutely.
Yeah. If these would have like
You got it?
crushed a
Hold on to
classroom, then
this,
everyone
let me move this.
would have not said that we're a bunch of pieces of shit, and they would have said that the Boys and Girls Club is a bunch of pieces of shit. But instead, you got us that comes in and fixes the building, and we're bad.
Get underneath.
Careful, because when you push, it's going to come down a little
That's
bit.
why I'm asking. Yeah. Back up.
Haunted house bad, asbestos good.
Pushing now?
It's gonna like release
Yeah,
and then
keep
it's gonna
that in.
jab your dad in the back of the
To the
head.
left.
Yeah,
Really mad.
that's called stored energy, and it's a motherfucker.
Yeah.
When potential energy turns into kinetic energy, it really hurts people.
I'm kinetic energy, you.
Right, Joe?
Yeah.
Joe learned that when he was like, you don't know how to use that pry bar.
That's funny.
I did that.
That's what happened. Hey, so am I just standing there holding this shit now, like forever?
Yeah.
The bottom one. Pour a lot of it. That works.
Works for me. Next, the stage. I built that stage.
That helps.
Were you there?
Yeah, because it's on the salamander.
Yeah. The dry one.
Very dead.
What a shitty life, like, what a crappy aspect of, like, an elemental creation. They just dry out and mummatize.
Yeah, bring it out and going up the ramp is two different things.
Yeah,
Alright, we're going to have to lift now.
mummatize
Wild
me.
lift.
I'm already lifting.
You can do it.
Yeah, it's like shoot.
You gotta get it. There you go.
Say that. Please don't do that. Push. Right.
Yeah, lift a
You're
little
stuck
higher.
on the I-beam. There you go.
Hey, Justin, help with the fence there.
Hold up. I got it. My hand's gonna get crushed here, and I'm gonna be very upset.
When you got the super gloves on, you'll be alright.
I got what gloves on?
Super gloves.
No, definitely not.
Hold on, don't push.
That's about as far as we're gonna go. Unless we can adjust
Well,
that
let's
wall.
move it back this way and push the bottom.
Push the bottom.
The problem is that corner is hitting all.
We understand, but you keep pressing the top, you're just gonna break the fucking thing.
Huh?
Push it in more.
What?
Tiffany's moving back there.
You think you can?
Please don't hurt yourself.
Jose, you can go to your left a little bit. You got about 4 to 5 inches of room.
Yeah, we could do that.
Don't hit Justin.
Still stuck on the wall.
Why don't you try to like stand that wall up?
Stand more wall up.
Like push the bottom back.
The wall that your right hand's on.
Oh.
There's not really space because there's plywood behind it.
Well, I can't see that.
Yeah.
You had to lift up and go over the bottom of it.
You might be able to push the bottom in a little bit.
What?
You only need 3
The
inches.
bottom of that wall, if you're able to just kick, like, turn around and donkey kick it or something. You just push the foot on it. Yeah. Yeah.
That's all you're gonna get. Now lift up the stage and carry it straight back.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You're almost there. You clear. Alright. At least clear.
There we go.
Let's. No, you should
Yeah,
probably get out. And we
Wait, what if we stand it up sideways? It looks skinnier.
Well, we're
not.
trying to stack stuff on top of it. Which
It's
I don't know
4
how
feet
that's gonna
tall.
work at this point.
If we pick our end up and we just, if you come out and we pick our end up and we just push it back, it should just slide back.
I don't think so. He's gonna.
It's not because it's smaller
So I'm
at the
still gonna have
on
to
the
lift
bottom
the
than it is on the top.
Yeah, it's gonna go down on this side. Usually it's not. Well, lift this side up still. Lift.
But no, lift the left side, dude. Step to your right. You're about to hit that stove.
Slide to the left.
All right, push. Take it back, y'all.
Push, y'all.
Scoot over first. All right, now.
Okay, that should be good.
Well, that's about as far as we can go.
Yeah.
Step on that bottom board, Jose, and see if it'll go down at all. There you go. Motherfuckers, like I've done this shit before.
Specifically like this?
Yes. Roll out now.
That's it.
Actually, stay in there. We're gonna need to hand you this ramp. And you have to slide it through.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, where are we gonna put that?
Up in you.
I hope not.
Yeah, I'm gonna need your help lifting it.
Up in you, baby.
Huh?
Up in you, baby.
Hop in ya?
Up in you.
Oh, that's fun.
That would be hemorrhoids
up
for real.
in ya. Slide it
Something.
forward first.
Who the fuck is tightening these goddamn chains like that?
That was me.
Safety first, bro.
Yeah.
Not around here.
Yes, around here.
I saw a van pulled up earlier. It said OSHA on the side.
Yeah, did
You
you?
should have seen the other shit that Tyler and Jose were trying to do some wax shit.
I was standing on top of the stage thing with a stool.
Yeah, and I said, get down.
Turn it
use a
on its
ladder.
side. Why you turning it on its side?
Where are you gonna put it?
Turn it on top.
You gonna lift?
Yeah.
All right.
I guess I'm
Camera down there.
Suck me. No, you gotta lift too. You gotta get that side.
So what? You're gonna do it with one hand?
Yeah, bitch.
Okay.
Just process it.
I'm not worried about it.
Yeah. See. The truth right there.
Yeah.
Make
See,
one
you're
thing.
camera, look.
Bet you didn't know he had 3 hands.
Yeah. I'm gonna use my third hand.
Well, maybe.
You want a high five?
That's tall enough.
One more move and oh my bad, I'm
It's
sorry.
okay. I don't think
hot
they're
over there.
as oof.
Is that good? Maybe if you stand it up.
Jose,
Shut.
move.
Me?
Yeah.
It's wood. You're hitting that box.
You want to tilt it down?
Ah!
Push up?
Tilt this end down.
That's what I was
Get it
just
up
saying.
on the box.
It's clear.
You're clear.
It's clear.
That's clear.
There you go.
Preston, it's clear.
You're clear.
It's good.
Now it's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was just
It was
in the
all
same
you.
spot
All
that it
Needed
was
that little
in
bit. Hey.
The first time.
You didn't even need that
Hey.
little bit.
Yeah, we did.
Okay.
It's gonna feel
Every little bit counts.
All right.
Thank you guys very much.